Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why Rudram is the most ancient thing in India and the highest importance of all things, all scriptures in India, and the one most important thing in Hinduism and India, and some meanings of the Rudram. Some English meaning of the Rudram. It is after listening to more than 1,000 times from Art of Living organization, then only one will get little bit understand Rudram. It is very difficult to understand Rudram, and Rudram is not Sanskrit. Rudram is downloaded by rishis from Akasha. The Sanskrit developed further after Rudram and after some time after Rudram. But Rudram is not Sanskrit, but it may contain some Sanskrit language. But Rudram is the ancient text downloaded by more than 84,000 of rishis who are meditated on Naimisharanya. From that, they downloaded Rudram from Akasha. And more than thousands of times after listening, one can understand a little bit about Rudram. It is very difficult to understand Rudram, and all the meanings in the different internet sites are not correct, and some things may be correct, but all of them are not correct. They may write something as correct, but most of the things are false in internet. One can listen to only Rudram from only Art of Living organization, not any other spiritual organization at any cost. Some words in Rudram are saying to Vishnu, saying to Shiva that you are Vishnu, you are Brahma, you are Indra, you are Rudra, you are Agni, you are Bruhaspati, you are Vayu, and like that. Like that, there are many words are like that. Saying to Shiva that you are Vishnu, you are Brahma, you are Rudram, that is Shiva, you are Indra, you are Agni, you are Agni Deva, you are Bruhaspati, you are Guru Bruhaspati, and you are your sun, you are Vayu, you are moon, like that, saying to God. Art of Living Rudram contains mainly 3 parts. First part is Ganapati Atharvasisha. Ganapati Atharvasisha is first part. From second part, Namakam. Third one is Chamakam. Namakam and Chamakam are second part. That is main part of Rudram. After that, Sri Durga Suktam. The Art of Living Rudram contains Ganapati Atharvasisha. After that, Namakam. After that, Chamakam, the main part of Rudram. After that, Sri Durga Shuktam. Like I have said earlier, Rudram can be understood only by Shravana of more than 1,000 times, a little bit only, not by reading or studying the meaning somewhere. The Rudram is directly downloaded by Rishis from Akasha. There are many different things in Rudram like that. Ghora Papanashini, the praising Shiva that Shiva can destroy the Ghora Papas, and Mahapapanashini, and Shiva can destroy the Mahapapas. And also Mrityunjaya mantra was said through Rudram. Mrityunjaya mantra means just like that, just like the cucumber which will lose from the plant, like that, Lord, please save me, and with slowly save me from this samsara, from this world. Like that, we should not suddenly leave all our relations and all other things and good take sannyas and live somewhere like that. It is very difficult, but we have to do the sannyasa thing very slowly, like the cucumber fruit, cucumber, the vegetable cucumber leaves the cucumber plant slowly, like that. That is in Mrityunjaya mantra. Mrityunjaya mantra, the famous mantra in Hinduism, written by Rishi Markandeya. Also saying to Rudram that everything is you, sun is you, moon is you, Indra is you, Agni is you, Vayu is you, and everything is you, like that. Also Tattvamasi. Tattvamasi means you are that. You are that. Also I am that. Tattvamasi means I am that. Also saying to Shiva that you are big and you are small. And also saying to Shiva, Lord Shiva, that you are Lord of trees, you are Lord of plants, you are Lord of animals, like that. The Ganapati Atharva Sisha mantra 2 times were spoken in this Art of Living Rudram. And stotrams are built in such a way that only after hearing more than thousands of times, only one can understand the full meaning of stotram. The literal translation one may get little idea, but it is very difficult. Also saying to Shiva that all numbers are you. 1 is you, 2 is you, 3 is you, 4 is you, 5 is you, 6 is you, 7 is you, 8 is you, 9 is you, 10 is you, 11 is you, 12 is you, 13 is you, 14 is you, 15 is you, 16 is you, 17 is you, 18 is you, 19 is you, 20 is you, like that. All numbers are you only. Praising Shiva that, praising Lord Shiva that all numbers are you only. 1 is you, like that. All numbers are you. There is another chamakam. In the chamakam, it is being spoken like chame. After everything, chame is being spoken. Chame means everything is in me. Chame means everything is for me and everything is in terms of me. Chame means everything is for me and everything is in terms of me. Like that, Vangmaya also being spoken in Rudram. There are many Vangmayas, great Vangmayas in Hinduism. One has to study in order to know many great things about the creation done by Lord Shiva. There is also another word as Sugamachame. Sugam Chame. Sugam Chame means happiness for me. Abhayam Chame means fearlessness is in me. Mahapapa Nashini. Like Shiva destroys Mahapapas. Ghora Papa Nashini. Shiva destroys Ghora Papas. Panchamahapatakam. Also spoken in Rudram, Panchamahapatakam, there are 5 high level grade sins in the world. These 5 grade sins were explained in this Panchamahapatakam. These Panchamahapatakam were the highest level sins in the world. By doing these kinds of Panchamahapatakam, one will get high level misery in life and high level loss in life, and they will suffer like anything in the world because of this Panchamahapatakam. Also saying to Shiva, also praising Shiva that in the trees, in the greenery, in the birds, even in thieves and in a dacoit, everywhere it is the same one principle only. Like praising Shiva that in the trees, in the greenery, in the birds, even in the thieves also Shiva is there. Even in the dacoit also Shiva is there. Like that Shiva is everywhere and is the same principle. I have already said that Mrutyunjaya mantra also being explained in Rudram. Like asking Lord and requesting Lord Shiva that please remove me from this unfathomable and this samsara, like not suddenly but like the cucumber which got away from the plant slowly, like the strand which connected to the cucumber fruit will leave the cucumber fruit very slowly. Like that cucumber get away from the plant of cucumber tree. In the same way, get me out of this samsara which is very horrible, and like the just like the Kira slowly loses its, just like Kira stand slowly loses its strength while it growing and in the end gets separated from the plant. Like that we should not leave samsara and bandhanas suddenly, but slowly we have to get out of the bandhanas. Also praising Shiva that Tripuranta Kaya means the destroyer of city Tripura. The Tripura city was built by one Rakshasa, and this Tripura city was destroyed by Lord Shiva. Also praising Shiva in form of yajnas, in form of homas. This word chame means everything is for me and everything is in terms of me. Also praising Shiva that gold is you and all medals is you. Gold is you only and all medals also you only. Like that. In Rudram also mentioned Shuddha Spatika. This Shuddha Spatika means 100% pure Spatika or crystal. One can see in the internet also, YouTube videos also about the Shuddha Spatika. Shuddha Spatika is also mentioned in Rudram. That is pure Spatika. This Shuddha Spatika is like solid which clearly object visible from the one side to other side of the Spatika. The object that placed bit after the Spatika, one can see that object through the Spatika clearly. That is the Spatika. Shuddha Spatika means that is the Shuddha Spatika. Also praising Shiva as Dakshinamurti. There is Dakshinamurti also there in Rudram. And also Mooladhara Chakra. Mooladhara Chakra is also mentioned in Rudram. Like that there are many highly beautiful things in Rudram. One should know all these things in Rudram by listening more than thousands and thousands of times. every Monday is very auspicious to listen to Rudram. Every Monday everyone should listen to Rudram, which in Art of Living ashram every Monday Rudram is being done by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar when he is available. When Gurudev is not available, some other Swami will do Rudra Puja in Art of Living in every Monday. And people should donate to Rudra Puja in Vedic Dharma Samsthan website in internet. In internet there is a Vedic Dharma Samsthan website is there. In that website one can do their donations for the expenses of the Rudram being done in Art of Living ashram. One can donate for one day. It will be cost around 1500. It will be around 1100 rupees for one day. For the people who want to contribute more for 1 year, there it will be around 50,000 rupees. One can donate this money in Art of Living website. One can get good wishes from Lord Shiva, like that. There are many beautiful things in Rudram. Like main thing is praising Shiva that Brahma is you, Vishnu is you, Rudram is you, Indra is you, Agni is you, Vayu is you, like that Sun is you, Moon is you, like that the first Deva is you, like that there are many beautiful things in Rudram. There is in the Rudram, in Art of Living, first they will say the Ganapati Atharvasishta mantra. This is very beautiful mantra. It starts with Om Bhadram Kannabi Shrunamaya Deva Bhadram Pashyamakshyabi Yajratraha Sthirairange Tuštuvamsas Tanubihi Vyashema Devahitam Yadyayuhu Swastina Indro Vruddhashravaha Swastina Pursa Vishwavedaha Swastinasa Taksaryo Arishta Nemihi Swastino Bruhaspati Dadatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Like that, it is a very beautiful mantra in Hinduism, which was played first before Rudram in Art of Living Rudram. Meaning is, my Ayu, let me hear only good things in my ears. Let me see only good things with my eyes. Whatever may be the bad things, but let me see only good things with my eyes. Let me have Vak Suddhi and speaking truth and standing on my words, like that. Let me have Vak Suddhi and speaking truth and standing on my words and standing on my words to the people whoever give my word, standing on that word. Like that, this contains also saying Indra that don't be angry on us. If Indra is angry, he will tell Varuna not to make fall rains on the land, or he will say to Varuna that fall heavily rains on that land. Both things are highly dangerous, which will destroy farms, and we could not be able to eat food. Because of that, saying that praying Indra that don't be angry with us, praying Bruhaspati that don't be angry with us, and also there is a praising Vedas also in this mantra. Also saying that let my Ayu is work for Devahitam, for the hitam, for the well-being of Devas. Let my Ayu, or let my whatever may maybe the age, my age, and whatever maybe the years will come, and all my years and all my age, all my work and all these things I will work for Devahitam, like that, saying to Devas, let my Ayu work for Devahitam, like that, for well-being Devas, for well-being of Devas, let my Ayu, who whatever may be my Ayu, that is 5 years or 10 years or 20 years or maybe 100 years, all that Ayu should be work for Devahitam, for the well-being of Devas, like that. Like that, there are many beautiful things in Rudram. In Art of Living only, one should listen to Rudram only from Art of Living only. From other organization, there will be one will get very confused and not correct way is there in Rudram, like that. These foreigners and other kinds of people, they don't even visit India, and they don't even travel India and visit temples and all other things, but they wrote thousands and thousands of books about Hinduism and about India and all these things. They put all these books in library and all the other things. If you see any library in India and all over the world, they have wrote thousands and thousands of stupid books about Hinduism and in the world, like that. They want to put Hinduism in bad light. Because of that, they wrote so many disgusting things about Hinduism without knowing anything. All main things of Hinduism lies in Sanskrit only. Because of that, one should learn. Government should impose Sanskrit on the people, and the Sanskrit should be the main language of total India. Because the main scriptures are in Sanskrit, and without knowing Sanskrit, one cannot know India. Like that, these people who wrote thousands and thousands of books on Hinduism, they don't know local languages, they don't know Sanskrit, they only know little bit of Hindi and English, but they wrote thousands and thousands of books about Hinduism and other cultural aspects of Hinduism, and they have wrote many in many negative way. They projected Hinduism in very bad light. This is the major idea of British, to discourage Hindus to be proud about their culture, so that they can rule this India for more than thousands of years. That was the plan of the British, to undermine the culture in the minds of the Hindus, so that they can rule this country for more than thousands of years. All these books occupied the shelves of thousands of libraries across India. All these books are high level dirt, and we should not believe in these books. We should throw these books away like anything. Like this, Rudram is the highest mantra in Hinduism. One should listen to Rudram more than thousands of times. Every Monday, in Art of Living, one can listen to Rudram in online and know many things about Rudram, like that. For further things about Rudram, I will tell in further videos. Jai Gurudev.